You know, some glue ups on projects are pretty straightforward. You have square joints and straight edges to apply clamps. There are other times though where things get a little trickier. And I'm talking about on this project where I want to attach these curved corbels to the underside of the project. There's really no good way to apply a clamp in this situation, especially for the ones that go at the back. And with this curved shape, I'm worried about the clamps dinging and marring the smooth profiles that I've taken a while to create. The solution though is to use some Titebond Quick Thick. I'm gonna put a dab of glue on the top, run a small bead on the back side, and then play human clamp for a few seconds, holding it in place. That means I can take my hand away, the piece is gonna stay in place. I can get the other corbels installed, and this project is gonna move to the finishing room that much faster. Quick and Thick is a problem solver for your shop and can really come in handy.